Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to other modes of this camera, and one of these is the Pro mode, so let's tap here. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the left. We are in the white balance settings, so now we can control the temperature of our picture. By using this slider we can pick the light we want to have, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. So these small icons above the slider suggest us about this light. We can pick the tungsten light, daylight, white fluorescent light and the cloudy light. At the beginning of the slider we have the auto settings, so there's no problem to go back to the auto. Now let's move to the center, to the ISO. Here we can control camera's sensitivity to light. By using this slider we can make it less sensitive from 100. By going to the right we can make it more sensitive to 1 and 6,000 of it, so I think the spectrum is really wide like this kind of camera. And of course, to go back to the auto settings we have to slide to the left to the beginning. And the last one option here is the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of our picture. We are on 0 parameter, so now we are on auto. By going to the right we can make our photo much brighter, as you can see. By going to the left we can make it more dark. And we can of course go back to 0 to the auto exposure compensation. And now let me use the settings to take a picture, so maybe let me give it more light and more sensitivity. And the white balance, let's stay on this one. To see the photo, let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.